So, dear student, today I'll be discussing about the chapter tangents. So, I'll share the PDF. Yeah. So, I think now you can see it clearly. Correct, tangents and the intersecting chords. So, prerequisite is that we have to know the what is a tangent, which is studied in the lower classes. So, I hope everyone knows that. Correct. First theorem: the tangent at any point of a circle and radius through the point are perpendicular to each other. So, tangent and the radius. Correct. And any point of a circle radius through that point. If any radius is passing through that particular point of the tangent, it is perpendicular. That is the first theorem. Second one, see, as you can see here a circle, and we can see the two tangents PA and PB, correct, are drawn exterior of the circle, correct, outside the circles. Yes. So if that is the case, then PA is equal to PB. From the point external, what is it? PA and PB are equal. Correct. So there is one more important thing which will be using in what the questions will be solved. Next one. So let us see the question here. Triangle PQR. PQ is 24. So this PQ is 24. QR is 7. And PQR is 90. Find the radius of the circle. Correct. So we know that this is what perpendicular. And if it is PQR is 90. So by Pythagoras theorem, what we can do? We can find out what? We can find out PR. Because PQ and QR is given. So PQ square plus QR square is equal to PR square, hypotenuse square. So 24 square plus 7 square is what? I'll be getting 625. So PR is equal to 25. So once I get PR, what is the question here? Find the radius of the circle. So just like that, draw the perpendicular from all the radiuses. Correct? So what is my PQ? My PQ is 24. I'll just write it down here. PQ in total, I think it's 24. And PR, I got it as 25. PR is 25. And QR is what? 7. QR in total is 7. Correct? So if these three things are X, these two are X. QB and QA. So we just now, I told you one theorem. Correct? A P is a point outside the circle externally. Correct? Then PA is equal to PB. So similarly, QA and QB value are same. Then what is my PA value? PA value will be my 24 minus X. And what about my BR value? 7 minus X. So if this is 24 minus X, what is my PC value? If this is 7 minus X, this also will be what? 7 minus X. Correct? Yes. And this will be what? My 25 minus 7 minus X. So I have to find what? If I just find out the radius here, X value, correct? OA and OB. So up to this, we have to make sure we do it properly. Either you can put PC as 24 minus X and this total is 25. Correct? So if I add the things, I should be getting 25. So what is my PR? PR is nothing but PC plus RC. So what is my PC? Since PA is 24 minus X, this is also 24 minus X. 24 minus X. So I hope up to this everyone is clear. So you can stop the video and draw it and note it down. Okay, so I'm just browsing a little bit down now. Yes. So once you're done that, my PR is going to be PEC plus RC. I'll be getting 24 plus 7, 31 minus 2x. So I can find what x value. So once I do that thing, I can find my x value. So x value here is 3 centimeter. 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to 3. I'll just clear it. The notation. So if you got any doubt in that, just go a little bit back and you will be able to get it. Everything. Now I cleared the okay. So that is the but by what radius. And one more doubt what you can have is how did I get if I solve x, how did this OB will be the same value, correct? So we can see here OAQB, correct? Obviously, what is it? OB and OA are equal because why? It's a radius. And this is parallel. So these two values also will be same. Correct? And this is also parallel. These two values also will be same. So since it's a square. So that's the reason I'm just finding the x value. So I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to tell you. Next question. So they given a diagram here. Calculate the angle subtended by AB. Yes, at the center of the circle. In the sense, I define what angle AOB or BOA that I have to find. So how to get it? So first thing is we have to join what this OA, OB or OC, whatever it is, join it. Correct. Second thing is what? What is my angle OCT? OC is perpendicular to the tangent. So OCT is what? 90 degrees. So if this is 48, what will be this value? 42. Angle OCA, what is the value? 42. Correct? Or else, this is my 42 degree. And OA and OC are equal. Why? Isosceles triangle. So if this is 42, then angle OAC is also what? 42 degree respectively. Isosceles triangle property. Angles opposite to the what? Identical or opposite sides of an isosceles triangles are equal. Angles opposite to the opposite angle sides of the isosceles triangle are equal. So 42 degree I'll be getting OC and OA respectively. So once I mark here 42, I'll just mark it here. This is my 42. This is also my 42. So this angle also I can calculate. 180 degree minus 84. Correct? 180 minus 84 I can calculate. I'll be getting 96 degree. I'll be getting what? 96 degree. In the triangle what? AOC. So similarly, in triangle OBA, OB and A. OA, OB is equal to OA, correct? What is angle OBA value? OBA angle is what? OBA angle here. You can see here the OBA angle. I'm getting OCA as 42, so OBA is also what? Just imagine that OB, OA, or OC are all what? Radius. So since we know all our radius, then just come to this. We know all our radius. So angle OAC is equal to what? Angle OCA, 42 degree. Angle OAC and angle OCA. I already told you. Correct? And what is angle OAB? OAB. Correct? OAB and OAB and CAB. OAB is basically what? How do I get it? What is my CAB basically here? CAB is CAB. How do I get CAB? It is the in triangle ACT. If I'm taking triangle ACT, you can see the triangle here, right? Yes. ACT. Correct. So what is my CAB? CAB is nothing but what is the opposite angles? 40 degree and 36. So it is sum of the angles. So exterior angle property theorem. So 48 plus 36 is 84. Angle CAB, I'll get what? 84. So if I'm getting CAB as 84, totally this is what? 42. So what is my angle OAB? 42 degree. If angle OAB is 42, then what is angle OBA? 42 because radius, right? 2 OB is equal to OA. That's the radius. So simply this also will be what? 96 degree. Just like how you get it, the same thing only it is this also here. Okay, so it is also 96 degree. So that's about this. Yeah. And the next question here, P and Q are centers of the circle with radius 9 centimeter, 2 centimeter, and PQ is 17 centimeter. R is center of circle of radius x centimeter, which touches the above circles externally. Given that PRQ is equal to what? 90 degree, right? The equation in x and solve it. So they given everything. If this is 9, this is 9, this is 2, this is 2, correct? Yes. So what is my PR? 9 plus x. First thing is, and what is my QR? 2 plus x. PQ 9 plus 2, 11. Correct? So PQ, I think the question PQ is given as what? 17. So PQ is 17. So we should not mistake PQ as 9 plus 2. PQ in total is 17. So only up to this point, only let me just mark it for you. If you take total PQ as 11, then we will make mistake. You can see this point, this only up to this point it is 9, and only up to this point it is 2. Yes. So PQ in total is what? PQ in total is 17. It total is 17. Correct. So to get this, we can subtract 17 minus 11, 6. This is my 6. And do the Pythagoras theorem first. PR square plus QR square is equal to PQ square. So once I do the Pythagoras theorem, I can find the value of x. That's all. Simple thing. 9 plus x the whole square and 2 plus x the whole square. We have to just expand everything. A plus b the whole square. Then make sure that you do the prime factorization. Suppose prime factorization, or if you are having difficulty, then use the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, the quadratic equation formula, where we find the discriminant and find the two roots. Is any important questions there? So let's see this question in the figure. Given along side PQ is equal to QR, RQ is 60 degree. PC and QC are tangents to circles with center of, calculate the values of angle QOP and angle QCP. Correct. So whatever is that you join, please join. In this figure, nothing is required, so no need to join anything. Okay. So coming to the first triangle, PQR. So everything is given. PQ and PR are equal, correct? So the angles, the base angles are also equal. The two base angles are also equal. So what is my PQR? We don't. It is given, I think, 68 degree. So these two angles are equal. Both are X. Then what is given? QRP. QRP is equal to X. QRP. Yes. QRP. How do I get 56? Because if I take this triangle, 68 plus 2x is equal to 180. 180 minus 68. S by 2. So I'll be getting QRP is 56. So once I get QRP as 56, then what is the central angle? It will be twice. The central angle will be twice of 112 degree. So QRP is done. Now angle QCP. Angle QCP. So it is opposite. Opposite angles of cycloidals are supplementary. Correct? So this is my 112. So this should be what? 112 plus 68. That's it. So we need not do these many steps. Directly we can write 68 degree. Angle QOP, correct? Which I got as 112, and this angle. Opposite to both are supplementary. That's it. So you can get the answer fast. Then this theorem. Most of the questions in the board is based on this theorem. If two chords of circle intersect internally or externally, then the product of the length of segment is equal. So there are two chords, correct? Yes, and they're intersecting internally or externally. Then the product of the length of segment is equal. In the sense, PA into PB. PA into PB is equal to PC into PD. So that's what this is all about. Externally, what will happen? Again, PA into PB is equal to PD into PC. That's all. So we'll be applying these applications in the coming problems. Then one more important thing is this. If a chord and a tangent intersect externally, then the product of the length of segments of that chord is equal to square of the length of a tangent from the point of contact and the point of intersection. They want to say that PA into PB. What is it? PA into PB is equal to what? PT square. That's it. PA into PB is equal to PT square. So if I'm seeing this question, find the value of X. So PD is X. So we know that what PA into PB is equal to PC into PD. If you do that, you'll get X. Same thing here also. PA into PB is equal to PC into PD. Internally is done. Correct? Externally here. PD into PC is equal to PB into PA. Correct? Yes. So once I do that PD is 4. Correct? Yes. And PB is what? 6. So third question I'll just show you. Yes. Yes. PA into PB is equal to PC into PD. Same formula only. PA into PB into PA is equal to PD into PC. So my PC is nothing but what? PD plus CD. Correct? And what is my BA given 10? So if I substitute everything, I'll be getting the answer equally. Okay, very easily I'll be getting, not equally, very easily I'll be getting the answers. Same thing again. But if you can see here, it is what? PA is 20 and PB is 16 and BC is X. So for this question, yeah, I'll be using what? PA square is equal to PB into BC. The chord BC and a tangent at a point intersect point P. So we just do what? PB into BC is equal to what? PA square. Okay. So that's only it. PB into PC is equal to PA square. So this is also done. So pause it and then do these things. Then you'll be able to get it easily. Yeah. In the given figure, AB is the diameter and AC is the chord of a circle so that the angle BAC is equal to 30 degrees. The tangent at C intersects AB produced at D. Prove that BC is equal to BD. Prove that BC and BD are the same. Correct? So first write an angle BAC is given 30 degree. So what is angle BCD? BAC 30 degree. BCD is also 30 angles of the alternating segment. And what is angle ACB? Semicircle 90 degree. Then take triangle ACB and find out what angle ABC. Correct? In this case, CBD also you can find it out. This is 120, this is 60. Correct? So then in triangle BCD, once I'm getting all the angles, I can take supplementary and I can finish it off and I can find this. And if these two angles are equal, angle CAD and angle CDA, correct? CA is equal to CD. And similarly, I'll be getting what? These two angles are equal here. I'll be getting BC is equal to BD. Side opposite equal angles are equal. Then we can see in this question, in the given figure, PT touches a circle with center O. Diameter SQ when produced meets PT at P. If angle SP is equal to X, QRP is equal to Y, then X plus 2Y is equal to 90. So RSQ is what? Y degree. PQR and RQS is X degree plus Y degree. QRS, angle QRS is equal to 90. And add the two things, I'll be getting 90. So substitute all of these values, Y plus X plus Y. So I'll be getting X plus 2Y is equal to 90. That's a simple thing only. So only thing we need to know what is angles in alternating segment. Correct. Then external angle of a triangle is equal to what? Sum of the interior opposite angles. So all of these things we have to know. And angle of a semicircle is 90 degree. Correct. In the sense QRS is equal to 90 degree. That's it.